The Jeep Wrangler IV 2020 present features a setting to adjust the maximum startup volume, also known as the switch-on volume limit. This feature helps prevent abrupt, loud audio when the car starts, complying with regulations and user preferences. This video will guide you through adjusting this setting. Adjusting the startup volume limit is essential for preventing startling audio bursts when the vehicle starts, which could distract drivers. It ensures compliance with noise regulations, such as the EU Directive 7157 EEC on vehicle noise levels. The startup volume is capped at a maximum level to avoid startling drivers or violating noise laws. Overall, this promotes a safer and more comfortable driving experience by maintaining appropriate sound levels. To access the startup volume setting on your Jeep Wrangler IV, first start the vehicle by turning on the ignition. This powers up the infotainment system. Once the vehicle is started, the infotainment touchscreen will activate, displaying the main interface. Navigate to the settings menu using the touchscreen. Look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Within the settings menu, find and select the audio option to access sound-related settings. In the audio settings, locate the startup volume option. This controls the maximum volume level when the vehicle starts. Once you've located the startup volume setting, you'll usually see a slider or numerical input. Adjust the volume limit to your desired level, typically between 0% and 50%. 50% is the hard cap in most markets to avoid hearing damage. Some models may require a restart for the changes to take effect. Recent software updates, such as the 2024 SOV 2.5 release, have improved the granularity of volume settings. Updates allow increments as low as 5% instead of 10%. These updates also enhance compliance with EU noise regulations, capping the default maximum startup volume to reduce road noise complaints. The automotive industry is moving toward personalized audio experiences. Features like AI-driven volume adjustments, such as auto-lowering based on time of day or GPS data, are becoming more common. Stricter EU emissions and noise laws are pushing manufacturers to integrate these limits. Real-world examples demonstrate the practical benefits of adjusting the startup volume in the Jeep Wrangler IV. Users have successfully reduced neighborhood noise complaints by setting lower volume limits, with some reporting up to 50% fewer issues, according to local noise logs. Adjusting the startup volume prevents unexpected loud sounds when starting the vehicle, enhancing driving safety and comfort by eliminating startling audio bursts that could distract the driver. The Jeep Wrangler IV's startup volume feature is praised for its simplicity compared to competitors. BMW's iDrive requires navigating complex touchscreen menus, while Tesla Model 3 relies on voice commands only. In contrast, the Wrangler IV offers a straightforward slider in the audio settings for easy adjustment. Experts emphasize the importance of startup volume limits for balancing user enjoyment and public health. Surveys indicate that a significant percentage of Jeep Wrangler IV owners adjust their startup volume. Data suggests that noise-related complaints in cities have decreased, partly due to vehicle audio limits. Always consult the official Jeep website or a certified dealer for the latest model-specific details and firmware updates.